So now it's to the last drawing for our last set of samples from this document, drawings number 7, the last one. As you can see, this drawing is not so beautiful, it's not clear, it's very hard to read. So where is what? The dimensions are quite nice, but some information which is necessary to build this sample, to draw this detail, is very hard. So that's why I made some exceptions. I put my own dimensions and some change in this drawing, and then first of all I draw it in my way with my imagination. So I want to do this kind of action in this video also. So what I mean is, I want to open AutoCAD. So as you can see in this side, I draw maybe 70% of this detail here, but changing some places and putting extra information here. So that's why I want to emphasize our attention here, to pay attention for this detail, building from this sample, drawing from this detail, because it will be easier, and then we can use some like extra hints, so we will save sometimes. Okay, I think you all get my message. You understand the idea. So let's start it. First of all, I want to draw some circles. This bigger one, this one, this one, and this one. By reading this sample, as you can see, the bigger one with radius 15. The next smaller one is like 45. This one is 20 millimeters, and the last one is like with diameter 20. The radius will be 10, as you know. So let's start doing this one. First of all, I want to build the smaller one. Maybe here the radius will be 10. The next bigger one is like radius 20. The next bigger one is 45, and the last one is like 50. Done. The basic of our detail is ready, as you can see, and then we need to build these like 6 small circles with this dimension. First of all, I want to put center mark here to see our drawing very easy. So I want to build the left small circle, right small circle, and then I want to use maybe mirror tool, maybe arrow tool to copy it in six times. To copy it 6 times. So as we know, the center of these circles is located in this line, the line of this circle. No, sorry, the big circle, which is like 50 millimeters radius. So excuse me for my mistake. So let's build it. First of all, we know the smallest circle with diameter 8. So the radius will be 4. Done. The next one, this bigger one is like the radius is 8, not diameter. So radius is 8, like this. So let's trim extra lines from here, like this, and then I want to do this like fillet action from here, and then I want to copy it after finishing this one. As you can see, the radius is 5, so I want to use the fillet tool. I want to choose radius from command menu, radius 5. So let's select 2 lines. This, done. As you can see, we finished building this side. So what I want to do is, I will select these three objects, this, and then let's check that we don't need anything else. Let's do this, and then using array, which array, like polar array, and then we need to choose the center of our copying of our array. We choose it. Oh, sorry, as you can see I didn't choose the main circle, so first of all, that's why I will repeat the action. I will select now from this one, this object, and this object. Now we can use array tool, and then like this time, enter. So from here, one by one, from here also we will trim extra lines. How? I think you all know, like 1, 2, 3, 4 like extra lines in each small circle area. Sometimes zoom in to check some like clear trimming if you have doubts. Done. As you can see, the maybe 70, maybe 60% of our detail is drawn. So we need to build this complicated figure. First of all, as you know, I want to build these lines first, and then I want to make this figure like on my own. So I will do the action one by one, and then you will check. I hope you will understand what I will do. So alright, the problem is here, like I didn't put the dimension here, so I draw it by myself. So I wanted to put this dimension, the angular dimension, which I made from this. As you can see, sorry, not like this. Yeah, this one. I put 7 degrees this line, so I will do the same action here. So let's see, I will just use line. The starting point is center of these big circles, so we need to press tab to move to type the degree of our angle 7, and then we need to press tab again and going to our size like this. So I will move until here. I think it's necessary. And just click finish. So now I want to just mirror it, copy it by using mirror tool. I know you can use this tool. No? Okay. So now I want to delete extra lines from here also. This one, this one, this one, this one. These two also. So one action completed. So what I wanted to do is here I want to choose these sides and then copy them like these circles. So I want to select them, and then using array tool, polar array, to copy them in 5 times. So I have an idea. What if we will build these like fillets, this radius, and then we will copy them in 5 times. So let's try this one. Maybe we can save our time here. So as you can see, here is the upper radius is 6, the bottom radius is 9. Let's do this one here. We need to use fillet tool, choose radius, first of all 6, we will put 6 millimeters like this. For here also again. Now we will use fillet tool again, but we need to change radius to 9 millimeters. Done. As you can see, we finished. So now we will select all necessary objects like this, one by one. Now we you can copy them in 5 times. If you want to use own method of copying, it's okay, but I can see that here is the best option in using the arrow tool again is this, but here in items place we need to put not 65, then enter. Done. As you can see, it's almost finished. So now here also we need to delete extra lines with trim tool. So here be careful, check the extra lines, like small extra lines, if they situated there. No, everything is clear. As you can see, it's almost finished very fast. In, how can I say, comfortable ideas, and what I forgot is deleting these lines. Okay. So if you want to increase these center marks, you can just increase. If you want to change color of this center mark, you can change it. It will be nice for reading. And then the last part is, as you know, the putting dimensions to decorate our detail. So now what I wanted to say at the end of our video, as you can see, if the drawing is readable, if there is like necessary information like sizes, dimensions, center marks, you can read the drawing and you can use it. But in this case, it's hard to read and it's hard to copy. It's hard to draw it. It's hard to produce this kind of detail. So that's why all the time and check your drawing for information, for necessary dimensions after finishing your detail. So in one word, decorate it, like draw it very cleverly. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Good luck for everyone.